In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a folder or an email within your Yahoo Mail. So let's say I'm on my Yahoo platform over here and I want to archive a particular email, for example, this one from Center for Productivity. All I need is to start by long pressing it, and then I can click on select. And now it's been selected. I can select more than one if I want to. And I can come down here to archive. You can see archive down here. Can click on archive. These two emails have been moved to archive. So if I want to see them, I can come to the trial, these two arrows facing up and down, and you can be able to see archive from here. So you can be able to see archive. So once you click, you'll be able to see those two emails that I have moved them to. This is the one from Center for Creativity, and this is the other one from the from NICES. Okay, so if you want to unarchive them, you can also select, okay, and then you can say move them to the inbox. So you can select and you can move back to inbox, and when you go to your inbox, you should be able to find all of them there. This is where they are. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.